Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you well and that you were able to do something enjoyable over your weekend. So this is our second to last week on Schoology together, and I just want to walk you through what's going on in the Monday folder like we always do. So this week we're in the May 18 to May 22 folder. I'm underlining it right now. And I've already got the Monday, May 18 folder expanded. So here's what's going on in there. The first thing you're going to do is your vocabulary practice. So you'll listen to that video by Mrs. Hovey first, and then underneath that, where the puzzle piece is, I'm underlining it, that's your vocabulary quiz. So it looks a little bit different this week because it's a matching quiz. So after you take care of the vocabulary, then you'll be ready for the story. And the story is also different this week because you get to pick which part of the story you want to listen to for an activity that we're going to do later in the week. So check out number 2 once you've finished your vocabulary practice. The next thing that's on the list is your spelling words practice. Please make sure you watch the videos for how to sort the words this week. It might be a little bit tricky. It has to do with syllables again, but it's a little more in-depth. So after you've finished your spelling word practice, then you're going to move into your fluency practice. So again, you'll have the video from Mrs. Lane, and then there will be a set of questions for you to answer. I think what's different this week, though, is that you're not going to put them in the discussion post. You're going to send me a message with your answers to those questions. So that's number 4. If you look underneath number 4, I'm underlining it now, there is a link for you to fill out a quick survey that Miss Checo made for all of 4th grade. So make sure you take care of that next. It's just a few quick questions about what you're thinking about doing in the future in terms of career and school. After you take care of that survey, number 5 and number 6 are dedicated to recipe writing. So the recipe writing is due this week, Thursday, May 21st, because Mrs. Hovey and I need time to get everyone's copies together for the final cookbook. So if you're someone who has already finished your recipe, you don't have anything to worry about. You can skip over number 5 and number 6. If you're someone who's still working on your recipe, go ahead and finish it up so that it's ready to be put into the cookbook later in the week. All right. So if you take a look at number 7, that's the last thing you have to do in this folder for Monday. That's library. Please check out what's going on in there, and then everything after that will only apply to certain people in the Monday folder. So if you see your name in the folder, please make sure you do your job where that link is. After that, you're looking at Senko's feed. There's a link for that here like always. And then there's typing practice after that. And then the rest of the optional activities are at the bottom of the Monday folder like they always are. If you're someone who has MTSS, band, orchestra, ELL, or you work with Mrs. Diggins, please make sure you check those folders for assignments for this week. So don't forget about the groups at the top of the page. Those are for Miss Hensel, Miss Checo, and the nurses. They do have videos and opportunities for you to interact with and learn from them. So check those out as well. I want to say as I close out, thank you for continuing to put in hard work these past few weeks. I really appreciate how much effort everyone has been putting in, and I can't say thank you enough. You've been putting in hard work since the beginning, and I'm just so proud that you're continuing to push through in spite of what's going on right now. So please keep it up. We've only got 2 more weeks left on Schoology, and don't forget on Friday to come to our Friday meeting. We're going to play bingo this time and see how that goes. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.